Welcome to Linux for You channel. My name is Sachin Sharma and today's topic is how to boost the RHCL10 performance using the tuned profiles. Suppose you are sitting in RHCS exam and you are asked in the exam that please tune RHCL10 performance for a database server or a file server or a web server. So how you will tune the high performance of Red Hat 10 in the RHCS exam. So we will focus this on the lab. So we are helping students by making these videos to pass the RHCS exam. So please subscribe my channel so that you will not miss my video and like my video, right? So let's go to the Red Hat 10 machine. So here you can see that it is RHL 10 machine and you are asked to configure the server for a database server, high performance. So how you can do that? First, so let's first see that which profile is active, which profile of tuned is active, and it is installed or not. So how you can see? Here you can see that the package is installed or not. Suppose the package, yes, package is installed. So if the package is not installed, you have to install it by the command. If it is not installed, right? This command is not required because the package is already installed. So this is the command I'm giving you for knowledge purpose. After that, we have to enable the service of tuned. So how to enable the service? So something here. Enable hyphen now. Tune. So with the one command, this service will be started and it will be enabled. If you want to see that it is enabled or started or not, you can run the command. Now you can see the tuned is active. It means it is running and it is enabled after reboot or not. Yes, it is enabled, right? So now the tuned service is running well and we are getting to know that the what are the profiles and which is the active profile of the tuned first. So first we'll run the command sudo tuned adm list. So here this command will show the profiles. Yes, it is showing the profiles and here you can see the current active profile is balanced, right? So these are the profiles of tuned. Suppose you are you want to set suppose it is a laptop and you want to set the power save profiles, then you can choose this profile. Suppose you want to set the boost the performance of RHCL10 for a database server, for file server, for a web server, you should choose this throughput performance, right? So there are many profiles available designed for different workloads, right? So the current profile is balanced, right? Now we have to check that system is recommended me the which profile. So this system is recommended me which profile. So let's see with the command tuned-adm and recommend. So this system is recommending me a profile, right? Because I am running a virtual machine, it is recommending me this profile. But in the RHCSA exam, you are asked to boost the performance of RHCL10 for a database server or a file server or a web server. So how you can change the profile? Let's see. So we are changing the profile. So which profile is active? I told you by which command. You can run this command also. Now you can see the current profile, active profile is balanced. And in the exam, I asked to do the high performance profile for database server. So how you can enable uh, throughput performance for database server? See the command sudo tuned-adm profile, and which profile? Throughput performance. So this profile will set this system for higher speed for database server or file server or a web server. It is optimizing the CPU. It is basically tuning the system for higher speed for the server workloads. So this way you can set the profile. If you want to see that which profile is active now, so again you can run the command. Same command you can run. Now you will see the profile has been changed. Now you can see before the command it was the profile. Now I have changed the profile for my database server throughput profile. So this is the current active profile, right? You can verify this configuration. So how you can verify? Sudo tuned-adm verify. So you must verify by the command in the RHCSA exam. So it will show you that verification succeeded, and you can see the log file. So here you can see the log file of TuneD. So let's see the log file of TuneD. Sudo tail-f where log tuned dot log. So this is the log file of tuned service. So here you can see the log file of the tuned service, where you are setting the profile, verifying the profile that you just set throughput performance, right? So here we can verify. So in the RHCSA exam, you must verify this, right? Now Control C, clearing the screen. So in the exam, you have to reboot the server. I'm not rebooting this server, but you have to reboot the server, and again you have to check the profile is active or not. Throughput performance profile is active or not, right? So this is the way we have set, right? So if in the exam you are stucking somewhere, or you want to verify these commands I have given you. So in the exam, you should verify that the package should be installed, the service should be running, and if the service is not running, you have to start the service. Like I told you that which service need. So here, if this service is not running, you should run the service. Now it is running now, but if it is not running, then you should run this service or enable the service by the help of this command. Start. So by this command you can run the service. By enable command, in the place of start you can type enable. It should be started and enabled. So I hope you are liking my video. So in tomorrow next I will upload one more video for the RHCSA task exam. So as I told you, I am helping students by making this video so that they can pass the exam easily. So please subscribe my channel and like my video. Right? Thank you very much for watching.